Hey guys, today let's try to fix send snaps not saving problem. So if in the case that the snaps that you have sent to a specific person on Snapchat is not necessarily saving, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this step by step. So what we actually need to do first, if we want to go ahead and save this snap onto our gallery, and then in the case that we cannot actually save the snap, well, there could be a lot of different specific factors that could contribute to issues like this. So one issue or one reason as to why this is happening is because the person that has sent you the snap is actually not allowed to save it, or the permissions set to that snap is only allowed to view it and not to save it. So that is actually an issue or a factor that you guys should consider before saving some snaps, especially if the other person basically disabled the option for you to save those snaps. So if in the case that they did enable the option for you to save the snaps, what we can actually do if we are facing some issues with saving the snap, we could actually go ahead and make sure that we have a stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi, because this could contribute to issues with saving snaps. So you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better. So another thing that we could also do in order for us to solve issues like this is to make sure that whenever we go ahead and tap on this option to send a snap, of course we have this specific timer over here, and I want you to go ahead and set it to no limit so that people could actually go ahead and still view the snap and also have the option to save it. So I'm going to go ahead and send a snap with, let's say, just 3 or 4 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and send this, and as you see, once I long press this, we will not have the option to save it. But if we go ahead and try to send another snap with the option that is going to be unlimited, that could actually proceed with allowing us to save the snap, as you would see right here. So make sure that that is also enabled for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe, and take care.